Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Business Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the market, the gold market for the next few week or next week. Okay, as you can see there, here is already weekly time frame selected, and we will use weekly and daily time frame to define the market direction. And again, with H4, H1, and M13 time frame, with those all, we will find the signal for buy or sell. Okay, so let's get back into W1, that means weekly time frame. And as you can see there, for weekly time frame, market is already on a strong buy trend, and after the US election, market is trying to, or before the US election, market is trying to go down. So let's check the market for now, or let's check the market what will happen. As you can see there was a support zone around that area, that means 2719 area, and it just broke with this weekly candle, that means this red weekly candle. Okay, that is first direction to go sell. And if we want to find out our next support or resistance zone, as you can see there, it may be around that area. Okay, so that means gold may drop till around that area, that means this particular area. So that was first confirmation to go sell, and that was second confirmation because there is no recent support or resistance zone around that area. Okay, so let's get back into our daily time frame, that means daily time frame, daily movement of the market. And if we want to draw a triangle around that area, that means that was the breakout area, and that breakout confirmed to go sell in this chart or in gold market. Okay, if we want to draw another resistance over here, as you can see there, it defines market should go around 2650 area, that means this red line. Okay, and if we try to zoom out the market, and if I want to go for H4 market or H4 time frame, as you can see there, if we want to make a trend line, just follow me. And as you can see there, if we want to draw from here or here, for better trend line or support and resistance drawing, you may select candlestick to line chart. That will help us better to draw that. As you can see there, maybe there. Okay, so leave it. So if you select again candlestick over here, and as you can see there, for this particular area, market was around that area, that means that was 1 day's movement. That here was 5th November, that means US election day, market move more than 1000 pips. Okay, in this day, and again the next day market was trying to go up, but for the this support area, market was unable to go up, that means it's touch this area and trying to go down. It also define sell for the market. You may ask, Mr. Boom, why? As we know that if market break downtrend, so we have to wait for a pullback. There is the pullback or retest, and it's just trying to go down. It may go till around 2650 or around 2609 or around 2549. Okay, this three particular area it may go. And if we select H1 time frame, as you can see there, let me remove all of them first. Okay, as you can see there, there is clean chart or clean market, and if we want to draw a support line around that area, that also defines sell for gold, because as you know that if market broke our for the what breakout trading strategy. Okay, if market go down and we have to wait for retest the market, that means pullback. There was a pullback, and this is completely sell till around that area. Okay, so we can expect a proper sell around that area. So I will update again on the market days on our Telegram channel. If you especially already on our VIP channel or free Telegram channel, you may know that about our work history or work culture. We will update each and every day market support and resistance and other thing. So if you already joined, thank you, and if you don't join yet or not joined yet, you may join our Telegram channel. So that's for now. Happy trading. Have a nice day.